Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. I'm glad to be back with another video after 1 week. The reason I have been a little bit, late to make videos or I do not upload every single day right now, it is because I do not feel like I had to say anything about the market anymore because the market was going sideways. It is still going sideways after this mini pump of Bitcoin. It is pretty boring, but right now we have something to talk, right? We have some altcoins at least that they pumped. And here is why I'm making the videos and I'm being more active this week. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, patreon.com/mindyourcrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So RUNE against USDT, ThorChain, right? It was, at least for me, something that would happen. A plus 28% in the previous week, followed by a mini pump right now. Into the weekly frame, we still do not have anything to be afraid at all. You can see even on the RSI pattern that we had the bullish pennant formation going on with higher lows, lower highs, and we broke above. So into the weekly scale, into the next few weeks, we do not have an overbought situation, we do not have a risk, and therefore I would say that this is one very good opportunity to buy. It is something that will make you probably a nice plus 20% over the next few weeks and not only. And it is safe to assume that. Now going into the daily frame, RUNE has been steadily and slowly going higher and higher, right? It doesn't leave the 20-day MA. We assume that we have something good. Personally though, I would not like to see RUNE correcting around here. We have an overbought situation, but I would not like to see RUNE correcting around here because we would have a quadruple bearish RSI divergence. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for me personally, I do not find RUNE to be something that it would go upwards after 4 of bearish RSI divergences. But anyway, if we, for example, go a little bit right here and correct, it would be very nice. We just do not have continuous bearish RSI divergences, and therefore we do not worry about it so much. Of course, into this uptrend, we are going to have our lows and ups, right? But right now at this moment, we would go towards the 2.60 to 2.70. All right, I think that RUNE can easily go towards these numbers. From where we are right now, this is a nice, as we talked about, plus 20%. This is why I talked about it before, because for me personally, RUNE is going to make it. And RUNE in general, ThorChain wants to move higher, not only in the lower time frames, but in the higher time frames. It wants to go out of this huge bearish cycle that it was and go steadily and slowly. This would be better, this would be more healthy, into a nice bullish cycle that we would be going, for example, to 4 USDT, to 6 USDT, especially into the 2024. However, right now, I'm assuming that RUNE is going to go nicely. I'm assuming that RUNE is going to go towards the 2.64, and I think that it has strong potential to move higher, but we are going to see after that. Now, to close the video and for the lower time frames, we have this kind of scary situation into the 4-hour frame where we are having a little bit of the high risk right here, but at the end of the day, as we talked about with the previous RSI in the daily, we did not make a bearish RSI divergence between these two highs. This is looking good, and this is why I like RUNE so much right now. Be careful a little bit for the short term, okay? Might be finding some problems, okay? Especially into going back down, maybe to retest the 2 USDT on show, all right? But nothing will be problematic. Even if we do something like this, do not worry about that, because right now, especially even if we go down to the 1.70, the time will come and we will destroy the 2.70. So that's why I'm suggesting do not use leverage right now, because you will get liquidated. But at the same time, I think that it is good to go into a more good steady buying opportunity for RUNE. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription and see you soon. Bye.